struggling to grow on YouTube? Your thumbnail might be the reason. Even with great content, weak thumbnails can stop viewers from clicking. The good news? There's a simple fix. In today's video, we'll share a powerful way to improve your YouTube thumbnails using affordable professional design services. No editing skills or expensive software needed. This strategy helps creators stand out, attract more clicks, and grow their audience faster, all with the help of trusted freelance designers. Why thumbnails matter? Thumbnails are one of the first things potential viewers see. They act as visual hooks, telling the viewer whether the video is worth their time. Even small improvements in thumbnail quality can lead to big increases in click-through rates. Where to find help? One of the easiest ways to upgrade your thumbnails is by using freelance design services on Fiverr. Thousands of experienced designers offer high-quality, scroll-stopping thumbnails, with prices starting as low as $5 or $5. What you get. Most Fiverr thumbnail designers offer bold, high-contrast visuals, eye-catching text placement, fast delivery, often within 24-48 hours, custom designs that match your branding and niche. Who it's for. This is ideal for new creators, busy entrepreneurs, or anyone focused on scaling their channel. Instead of spending hours learning design, tools, outsourcing lets you focus on what matters: content creation. Results you can expect. Professional thumbnails often result in higher click-through rates, CTR, improved video visibility, stronger branding, a more professional channel appearance. To explore top-rated YouTube thumbnail designers, check the Fiverr link in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means a small commission may be earned at no extra cost to you. A win-win for supporting helpful content. Whether launching a new channel or refreshing an existing one, professional thumbnails can give videos the edge they need to compete. YouTube is a competitive space, and every click counts. Investing just a few pounds or dollars in quality thumbnails can dramatically increase views and grow your channel faster. Check out the Fiverr link below to get started today, and give your content the attention it deserves.